This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring the machine meets the bare minimum. Check that you are running Windows XP with Service Pack 3 because many modern browser builds require it. Once done, free up at least 200 MB of disk space and verify you have roughly 512 MB RAM. Make a quick backup of personal files so an install can be reversed if needed. Finally, run Windows Update to get critical components and install NET updates if prompted, since they often affect installers. Now you obtain a compatible installer. Because modern official Chrome may not support XP, pick a legacy Chrome build or a Chromium release compiled for XP. This preserves Chromium engine compatibility. Download the installer into your Downloads folder and confirm the file size looks plausible. If your antivirus or firewall blocks the installer, temporarily disable them and try again. Make sure to re-enable protection after installation. Once the file is ready, run the installer as administrator. Run the installer and follow the prompts. Accept default settings for the most stable setup and let the installer place files in Program Files. Once finished, launch the browser and import bookmarks and passwords from your old browser if needed. Make sure to test page loading and extensions sparingly. If the browser fails to start or crashes, try running it in compatibility mode, reinstall with a different XP-compatible build, or create a new user profile. These steps usually isolate corrupt configs or incompatible binaries quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.